Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new admin quest in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The new Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden, and after the update, the admin has given us this admin quest that we need to complete within 5 hours, and these are the quests that we need to complete guys. Yeah, there are a lot of quests and it's not that easy guys. Oh my god, especially for beginners. Of course it will be so hard. So one of the quests is for example this one, plant 40 bamboo seeds and then spend 500k shackles and so on. And yeah, I hope that we can complete this limited admin quest and we will get the random prismatic reward after we complete all the quests from the admin quest. And okay guys, that's all about the admin quest and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!